on the airlock handrail. And I got that fairly.
So the International Space Station just crossed the Terminator line fully into an orbital daytime. Should provide a pretty spectacular view for these two as they translate to their first work sites.
Alex, as you're moving up towards the front face, just a caution for you, just avoid contact with the TUS reel cable.
Hey, Wheels.
Go ahead, sir.
I see the MMOD strike on it.
0 on the cedar rail. 20 on the
Okay, I'll just translate until I see the arm, which is already nicely positioned, I guess.
Just to try to keep you up with everything, so Wiseman mentioning the RET, it's a retractable equipment tether.
I could possibly go to the nadir handrail, but even that's a little tight. To the nadir part of that handrail, I mean.
Checking, Reid, stand by.
Copy. I don't think I have to.
The WIF standing for Worksite Interface. It's going to assist Gerst in setting up this portable foot restraint onto the station's robotic arm.
Okay, Wheels, I'm going to put a RET on the front flap of this, and then I'll bring the RET around to the back of the shroud. I'll see how that works, if that's all right with you.
Yeah, we're good with that.
So Alexander Gerst has the pump module. He's reorienting it the 180 degrees so it's in the proper configuration for installation once he arrives at the external stowage platform, which is going to be his next stop on the end of this space station robotic arm. Towards the right corner, you can see the empty MLI tent primed and prepped for the arrival of this pump module.
I get a good view in that big MLI tent right now, for about 80% of it, and that looks so good.
So Gerst repositioning his hands on the pump module, getting to the bottom or the nadir, the earth-facing side of it. He's going to need to get on that angle in order to help guide it in.
Very good peek down.
Reid Wiseman getting positioned himself to help call out commands to Wilmore as they get ready to move the pump module in.
And I'm ready for the next step.
Showing 1 meter to go.
Copy. Yes, there's a U.S. lab behind me. That's why I could go no further port. I think I'm ready. I may need to work on body position, but give me the settings. And that was 4 turns, Wheels, and it looks, the bolt's nice and free. I can turn it with my hand, so that looks good.
Okay, nice work.
Copy that. That's the work, Wheels.
Okay, there completes the X. Now we're going to take you zenith. Here we go.
Everything going by the book, not tracking any issues. Still have to unlock the pan tilt mechanism on the camera itself. Following that, he'll be able to back off on the space station robotic arm.
Behind me to Columbus.
This will be his last task on the robotic arm. So Reid Wiseman in place now over at the mobile transporter, getting ready to install the relay assembly.
We have the bag RET on the dead face.
Perfect, thanks.
And I'm showing about 1.5 meters. Do you agree?
Butch, just remind me, this is flying to Pub, not the GCA, right?
Had a quick view of the Dragon spacecraft there. You can see it in the top left corner here. Right next to it, the robotic arm in its park position. Gerst is going to head back to the airlock and stow the bag with the failed CP-13 camera port 13 light in it.